Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix missing DLL. Dynamic link library is done.dll or Unarc.dll. Based on answer.microsoft.com and based on this user, thanks for the article. This is Orlando. Thanks, Orlando. Brief description here. The dynamic link library is done on arc error in Windows 10 or 11, mostly related to installation of PC games as well as program of large size. Large games program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC ROM as well as hard drive on installation. If your PC ROM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle, your PC may throw this error. So the first thing, you have to increase your Windows page file or virtual memory. You can hold Windows R and you can launch the run. Here you can try to type sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl. Click OK in order to run system properties. You can click advanced. Then you can click on settings and then click advanced again and click change. Here you can untick the automatically manage paging file box. Then click on custom size and fill this blank. So you have to learn about how you can fill this blank because it's based on your RAM, not my RAM. Based on your PC, RAM of your PC or RAM of your laptop. For example, let's go back to main article. Here, for most games, 2.5 GB is enough, so the values which will work in most cases is 400 and 3000. Note that the values are in megabyte, so this set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.